this is Litre Total Parts Pro today for 2024 Toyota 86 GR, stock number 6740. It's ran from the 6/2022 to the current shape. It has an FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FA24 2.4 litre petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,